Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use Chili Piper's distro to distribute a list of leads that might have been acquired from a trade show, prospecting tool, or some other source. Instead of manually assigning them out one by one, especially when there are hundreds or even thousands, these leads can be uploaded into Salesforce and then routed via distro, all automatically. So here you can see I have a list of leads from a recent trade show. The first thing I would want to do is add a custom field to the list that will be used later as a trigger for my router. In this example, the field is Chili Piper Reassign, and I've marked this field for each lead as true. And after I've done this, then I would upload this list into Salesforce using the lead upload or data loader tools. Now that I've uploaded my leads into Salesforce, I can open up distro where I've created a new router called lead upload. The first thing to set up is the trigger event. So here I can create a trigger event to be based on a field update within Salesforce. And in this example, I've chosen the trigger event for the router to be based on the Chili Piper Reassign field updating within Salesforce. Now, moving down to the trigger event conditions, I can create rules or conditions around this trigger event that must match as true before the trigger event can take place. So here I have a rule related to the field update that we just set up, and in this example, the rule will look in Salesforce to see if the Chili Piper Reassign field has been marked as true, which we just labeled earlier in our uploaded lead list. So after the trigger event occurs, and all of its conditions have been met, then the lead will automatically make its way through the router. And then finally, I can check the router logs inside of distro to monitor and ensure that my entire lead list has been routed correctly. And these are just a few of the many ways that you can use distro to help convert more pipeline automatically. If you want to learn more about Chili Piper's distro or any of our other inbound conversion tools, then head to chilipiper.com and get a demo.